Hi, welcome back to BBQ Life UK. My name's Tom, and today we're cooking a flank steak sandwich with dirty onions. Smells that have been coming out of this cooker have been unbelievable. The sweetness when you're cooking them onions directly over the coals. If you've never tried it, it's definitely something to try. And the onions really take on a smoky, charcoaly flavour. Let's give this a bite. It's gorgeous, beautifully tender. So if you cut it across that grain, it just makes for a really tender cut. It's cheaper than a lot of other cuts out there as well. That's why the butcher gave it to me. He said you'd be able to do something really special with this, hot and fast, cut across the grain. So if you like what we're doing here at BBQ Life UK, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment underneath, let me know what you think. And thank you very much for watching.